How to connect Bumble to Instagram account. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Bumble and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you are in here, move into your profile at the bottom left corner and then click on your profile picture. Tap on Edit Profile. Once you are in here, scroll all the way down and you'll find the option of Connect your Instagram account. Tap on it. Wait for the page to load. And there you go, this interface will appear. In this page, what you want to do is simply enter your phone number, username or the email address and the password of your account. Once you have entered your information, what you want to do is tap on Login. Once you are logged into your Instagram account, your account will be successfully connected to Bumble. And whenever someone moves into your account, they also will be able to see your Instagram account and also will be able to follow you. Well, you can also remove your Instagram account anytime you want to. So that's it, and this is simply how you can connect your Bumble to Instagram account. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.